Good morning, guys. Good morning. How's everybody doing, man? Yo, it is freezing here in Florida. It's like 40 degrees out. I feel all you, my New York friends, man. I feel you guys today, man. I got the heat on. I haven't been feeling good, man. Sorry about yesterday, guys. I've got like pneumonia, and yesterday I just couldn't get up, man. Wasn't feeling good. But we're gonna do it today. The doctor says it's gonna hang around probably a couple more weeks. It takes a while to clear up pneumonia. But we're doing our best. Let's see what we got here today, guys. What's H-bar doing? Anybody got H-bar out there? Get yourself a bag of H-bar, man. That's my advice for the new year. Let's see. What's NAS doing? NAS is headed north. All right, we're right in the middle. We're going to wait. How's everybody doing, man? Hope everybody's good. Yeah, I made that video about my 96% win rate. And I got a lot of views on that thing, man. Thank you guys, whoever watched it. I appreciate it, man. You know, I do appreciate it. Let me see, make sure we're live here. Okay, we are live. Coming to you live from South Central. Give me a like. Guys, give me a like and a subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Yeah, we're going to rock it. Let's see what we got, man. We're 1-0 for the new year, man. I hate to say 1-0, but we are 1-0. It is what it is. I don't like to get into percentages, man. Every day is a new day. Every day is a Saturday. Every night is Saturday night. I sang that wrong. Every day is a holiday. That's what it is, man. My goodness. All right, so we got NAS right in the middle. Okay, we got two zones here. Mark. These are our fair value gaps. Okay, what I usually do is I mark the 1 hour and the daily candle. So I'll mark the 8 a.m. candle, the 1 hour candle, which I got marked already. Mark the daily. And I look for a liquidity grab. So in other words, if it comes up here, boom, and pops back down, then I'm looking for a sell, basically. Let me get rid of this session bias thing. I never use it. I got a bunch of stuff here I never use, guys. I do use a couple of, let me see which one is it. This one. I do use a couple of indicators, guys. Let me tell you what they are. The ones that I pay attention to, okay, are fair value gap, my nephew Sam. Okay, these are all free, guys. The SMAs. All right, what do I got them set at? Let's see. I got SMA 2, 3, EMA 1. Let's see what they are. SMA 2 is 21. SMA 3 is 200, right? That's the black one. And I got an EMA set at 9. The SMA I turned off this one for 9. I'm using EMA for the 9. So I use that. And what else do I use? Fluid Trades, SMC Lite. Okay, that's a free indicator. They do have a paid version, guys. I am not an affiliate, and I do not use the paid version. I don't know what's in the paid version, but the free version puts these boxes on the chart for me. And then you could do it yourself. I mean, it's just basically the top, but it marks out the supply and demand zones. You know, this is a demand zone here. and it's pretty damn accurate. I like it, and so I kept it on there. You'll see me adding things as time goes by, and if I open this, you'll see a bunch of things there, but I don't use them. I don't keep them. I just check them out of curiosity. Gives me something to do while I'm waiting for NAS to go to one of these zones. You know what I mean? So it's 9 o'clock now. This is the 9 o'clock candle, and it's moving as slow as could be. So we're probably gonna have to wait till 9:30 to get anything going here. Let me plug my computer in before I go dead. But anyway, thank you to everybody who subscribed, man, and who liked the video and who watched the video. Appreciate it, man. Had a hell of a year last year. Now it's just time to say Happy New Year. Level up, increase my lot size, and it's time to rock and roll, man. Let's see what US30's doing. US30's headed north. It's about to hit the signal. It's at the 1 hour. Check. It's about to break out of the 1 hour. Let's see if it does. Might not. Take a quick peek at gold. Ooh, gold is heading north. All right, I didn't mark the 1 hour because the daily was right above it. So I just marked the daily, right above where we were already. We had already passed the 1 hour. So I marked the daily. All right. Very good, sir. Let's see what happens with that. I'm going to go back to US30. This seems to be the closest, though it's pulling back now. I hope everybody had a good Christmas and a good New Year, guys. It was quiet here, I remember everybody goes through it. When my kids were small, man, Christmas was so much fun, I miss those days, man, but what are you going to do, right? I got grandkids, but they're far away from me, But anyway, it is what it is, man, right? I got to get better from this. Got to get this damn thing out of me. It's really messing up my schedule. I didn't do anything yesterday. I had no strength yesterday, man. This looks like it's going to break out above, maybe. So we'll see what happens. We'll act accordingly when it happens. Let's see what we look like. All right, good. Guys, give me a like on the stream, man. Give me a like. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I appreciate it. See if we can get a W today. I don't like to stay on here too long. You guys know that have been with me a while. There's been times when I've turned on the computer, we took a trade, and we were done in like 10, 15 minutes, man. Quick W, man, and get on with our lives, That's how I prefer it. So this is that indicator I was showing you. Put the supply and demand. It's perfect, man. Perfect, brother. It works good. Works good for me anyway. Oh, looks like we're going to come back down. I got gold up on the big screen. Got my phone. Guys, you should be if you're not trading with Hanko. Hanko has a good trading platform. They also got the app for the phone. So the way I trade is I just watch here and I trade on the phone. It's perfect. It's a nice setup they have. The link is down there if you want to join under me and Hanko. I'd appreciate it, man. I'm not selling anything, so if you trade under me and Hanko, it's much appreciated. US30 looks like it's coming back down, right? It's I'm not going to trade in the middle unless I see something. It did come up and almost break here. We'll see if it comes here. It has to break this at least to consider taking it. And there's no fair value gap here, so I really don't see a setup here. See what NAS is doing. NAS is pretty much the same thing. What is that? Keep getting an alert there. I don't have an alert there. Must be on the phone. Guys, TradingView has an app on the phone too that's pretty good. I mean, it's nice because when you open it on the phone, your drawings and everything are there already that you did on the computer. So you might want to think about getting that if you don't have it. It's pretty cool. I'm all clogged up, man. Whew, brutal. Hey, you guys see Trump, man? He wants to, what do you want to do? He wants to rename the Gulf of Mexico to Gulf of America. That guy's a trip, man. I don't know if he's breaking balls or what, man. That guy's funny as hell. That kind of rings a bell, though. Gulf of America, man. Come on. Guys, give me a like on the video, please. Sorry, guys. I can't see the chat when I'm looking at the other thing. I have to actually leave the screen. I don't like doing that. Good morning, guys. Thanks for stopping by, man. Appreciate it. Give me a like on the video if you can. I think you guys can hear me, right? If I was a gambling man, and I am, I would say NAS is about to go up, man. Let's see what happens. I'm not going to take it. I'm just going to see the bottom of that fair value gap. Whoops. Right to that. I moved the stop loss because I don't use it. But I didn't take this, guys. I'm just It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. US30 may be the same setup. I don't know why that always shrinks, man. I hate it. Anyway, you guys can see it good. Why did I take this trade? Is because we bounced off the 200. It's the 200 a lot of times. You see, like the candles come right to it, then they reject. I don't know why that is, but it's just something that, I wouldn't set my clock by it, but it's just a clue. And this fair value gap, it came down, but it never violated, never closed below this fair value gap. You know, you guys see my short, man? Anybody know what this thing is? Have you ever seen anybody use this? This is a fib circle. I have no idea what this thing is, man. It looks cool, but I suppose you got to go to college, learn how to use that thing. I don't have 4 years to get my degree in fib circle. Hey, Sammy, how you doing, brother? Sammy G is in the house, guys. Famous, the famous Sammy G. Let me go back to the chart. And NAS is going to go up. If you guys did take this, I would put my stop to break even now. Maybe take a little profit. I don't know how many pips that is. You got a fair value gap here. If it goes up a little more, I would even put my stop somewhere below this fair value. It's a small fair value gap, but it is a fair value gap nonetheless. But if it goes up further, which it probably will, well, that fair value gap's gone already. And this candle don't close, it'll come back. What's gold doing here? Let me see. It's 30. If you moved your stop to break even, you might have just got stopped. So, hey, you just got to stop that. I would still be in if it was me, but if I was in this trade, if it comes down here, I would take another buy. I would hold, take another buy, and then when this came up to my original, if this came back to my original entry, I would close this trade, hold this one, and close this one. Whoever, a couple of pips in profit, whatever, or let it go the whole way if it looks like it's going to go the whole way. I can't see the chat, guys, so. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. We're going to grab a trade at 9:30, I bet, or 9:35 probably. And we'll be on our way. Yeah, baby. All right, 15 minutes, 14 minutes till the open. Man. It's interesting. You know, this is the same case. This came up. It never swept the liquidity. Same with this one, US30. You know, it came so close. It's like more like a double top, but it didn't poke through. You notice that? It's just a little short. We're still trading above the 200. Gold up. I don't really see nothing today, man. Not yet. Nothing I'm willing to put my money on, you know? What do you guys think, man? Up or down? I got a feeling it's going to go up, but Just Denica. This is the same way I enter. Oh, yeah. You know, the strategy really, after I enter, I mean, if you think about it, I'm looking at the chart. It could go either way. If I took an entry here, it's like flipping a coin. I mean, I'm going to get it right about as many times as I flip a coin. That's just the way it is. You could put your fib, whatever you want. To me, the whole thing is how you manage the trade after you take it. So I try to win the trade right up. But if I don't worry about it. I'll take, like, let's say I bought here. If it's going against me now, I'll wait till it gets here or here. I'll take another entry. I use a small lot size. I'll take another entry and I'll hold. And 95 out of 100 times, it's going to just go back and you know, I'm going to win. That's just the way it's been working. That's the way it's been, you know. But yeah, I mean, it's like flipping a coin. You know, trading is really like you know, flipping a coin, but every time you know, it's 50-50. But you try to set it up so every time you win, you make 75 cents, and every time you lose a quarter. You know, and even if you look at that win rate, right, you'll see many times I've had 4 or 5 entries, let's say on NAS. You know, let me just show you. Let me just you know, just talking out loud. Let's say I took another buy here, another buy here, right? I came down here, I took another buy here, right? Now I'm in drawdown all the way down to here, but these are separate trades. So from here to here, if it comes back to here, I could close this or I could hold it. A lot of times I'll close it. And the reason I'll close it is I'll put these pips in the bank. In case it comes back down, I can buy here again. And then if it goes from here to here, anywhere in here, like let's say right here, I could close. Now I'm in profit, major profit on the trade because this was my original entry. So my original entry, I only lost 5, 6, 10 pips, but I made this many pips. So a lot of those, even though some of those losses you'll see in that video are me just closing here. So this gets marked as a loss. You understand what I'm saying? Even though the whole trade was a win, this one is a loss. But I still made 60 pips, whatever, you know. So anyway, that's just a little clarity on that, you know. I can't manage this whole trade on the stream. If I take a trade on the stream and it goes into drawdown, keep an eye in the Facebook group. I'll tell you if I'm entering again or if I'm closing or, you know. Let me look at US30 here now. Just got an alert. But I use small lot size. I would recommend really a small lot size, man, you know, because I'm trading on, you know, I watch these pairs, but I have a lot of other, you know, I trade all these pairs. Sometimes I have 5 trades, 6 trades going at once with multiple entries. So I'm closing little profit, small profit trades all day. You know, when I take a trade, I'll set a take profit and I'll set an alert. So it's either going to hit my alert, tell me I got to take another entry, or it's just going to close in profit. You know, I don't put a stop loss. I put an alert. Then I evaluate it. When it gets to that alert, 99 out of 100 times, I'm just taking another entry. Yeah, it's kind of like grid trading. Grid trading. But it's not really like grid trading because grid trading is, they usually use a bot for that. Like they'll take an entry every, whatever they have it set up for 20, 30 pips, you know. They'll take another entry, It's not like what's the other one? Martindale, because I'm not increasing the lot size. I'm just managing the trade, and I'm not afraid of drawdown, because I'm using such a small lot size for my account size that I'm not afraid of drawdown. I'm increasing my lot size now. It doesn't matter what my lot size is, guys. I'm not going to go into all that. You have to figure out what works for you. If you're worried about the trade, your lot size is too big, man. Let me just say that, Use a small lot size, guys. Do this, practice this. Don't just do this. If you're gonna do it, if you're gonna trade with no stop loss. I traded with a stop. The reason how I started doing this is because I didn't like using stop loss. I used to remove it. I didn't have the discipline to keep trading with a stop loss. I didn't like it, man. I don't like winning a trade, then losing the next one, and all my profits are gone. I didn't like it. So I just started doing this. Just try and do it on demo, man. Try it on demo. What time is it? 3 minutes to the open. But that's how I do it. That's how I trade, man. It's been working for me. We would still be in that NAS trade, maybe. I don't know. I probably would have put my stop loss down below here if I was going to use one. So maybe we would have got taken out. This wick here probably would have took us out unless you went a little lower. I forget exactly what the entry was. So you maybe went lower. Maybe you could have put it down here and put it up above. I still think it's going to go up, but I could be wrong. I was wrong once. Man, what is this alert? US30 looks like it's ready to go up. Mm-hmm. 2 minutes. What is it? 2 minutes or 4 minutes? 4 minutes. 2 minutes. I can't see the clock. 2 minutes, guys. Let me see. Do we have more news today? $10 yellow. On 2 o'clock, we got a red folder. FOMC meeting minutes. Red folder at 2. So we want to be wrapped up by 2. Let me get back to the chart. 1 more minute, guys. Oh, I gotta sneeze. Okay, let's see. Yeah, that's the only way I'm going to trade going forward, guys. There is another guy that trades like me, Nick Sean, something like that. But he trades higher, like with daily and 4-hour time frame. I found him after. I like him. He seems like a cool guy, but I don't have patience to trade the daily, man. Let's see if it sweeps this low here. It breaks through this box. Okay, it's open. Let's see what it does. Okay, it took that low. See if it keeps going. I might enter over here somewhere if it comes down. Let me look at NAS real quick. NAS never took the low. Okay. Ready for it. Check gold real quick. My gold just took the high, but I'm going to focus on US30 right now. Now, it may come all the way down to here. It may go all the way down to zero. I don't know, but I'm just saying. I think I'm going to enter right here. Let me see how the candles react. There is another low here and another one here. It could come all the way. I'm willing to, take that drawdown if it does. Okay, I'm going to enter a buy here, guys. See what it does. If it keeps going down, guys, I'll just I'll manage it. I'll manage it in the Facebook group later. Let's see what it does here. Let's see what we got here. About 90 pips. It's 90 pips right there. That blue line is where I'm going to put my stops to break even and take a little profit. Let's see what gold is doing. Gold looks like it's going to drop. We'll see. Oh, it's coming down a little more. Guys, if you do trade this way, one of the mistakes I made in the beginning is I was taking too many entries. Let it, if it goes against you, let it go down a bit. Let it go a little bit. Don't take an entry every candle. You know what I mean? That's a good way to blow your account. Just relax, man. It'll come back. I got NAS on the big screen. It came right to that line I had more. Came right to it, man. Crazy, right? Okay, I'm up 11, 12 pips now. Looking good, guys. You can take profit whenever you want, guys. You don't have to do don't do what I'm doing, you know. I'm up 26 pips. Okay, I'm moving my stop loss to 42344. Okay, my stop's at break even. Don't come down now. Come back up. I'm gonna take a little profit up here. Come on back. Oh, don't do this, man. I'm still up 10 pips, 11 pips. Come on. You're saying, oh, why did you put a stop loss? If I'm in profit, I put a stop loss. You got to be the. I had a guy out that I used to trade with. He was like a mentor, and he used to tell me if I was in profit 25 pips and I let it come back and lose money, I was the donkey of the day. Oh man, it didn't stop me out yet. It's close though. I'm up 8 pips. Uh-oh. I'm up 10 pips now. There we go. It didn't get me. Damn, I can still hear his voice calling me the donkey of the day. Man, I'm up 5 pips. It's gonna get me, I think. 7 pips. Come on, go back up. That fair value gap protected me a little bit, I guess. I'm up 15 pips. 17, 18. There we go. 24. Keep going up, baby. I want to get out. I want to take my money and go to the beach. You ain't going to the beach today. It's freezing over here. I got the heat on and I'm in Florida. Ah, got me. All right, guys, stop me out. Yeah, if I'm in profit, guys, like 20 pips or whatever, I'm putting a stop loss in. I'm not going to take an L when I'm already in profit. I should have took. I didn't get a chance, man. I should have took a little profit here. That's all right. We get them next time. I don't know if you guys are still in it. Oh, look at NAS, man. Get rid of this. It's no longer needed. By the way, guys, I always put my stop loss a couple of pips in profit, you know. So, you know, even though that's not really an L, you know, I guess on the broker site there, it reflect as a W, even though you know I could break even to me, but it probably won 2 pips or whatever it was, you know. Let's see. Let's see what gold is doing. Gold was in a nice setup. Market's a little slow today, man. And there's no news. I'll stay on till 10 if I see anything. Is anybody still in that US30 trade? Did anybody take it? I don't know. Guys, please like the video. Appreciate it. Helps me a little bit. Trade on that. Let's check out NAS. Just getting ready to take that buy. Let's see if it comes down here again. I needed to pull all the way back to that fair value gap. Then I'll take it. I'll take an entry right here. I'm willing to take an entry right here. I got my finger on the trigger, man. No, one more push and I'm in. I'm in, guys. Slide this baby over. All right. Let's see what it does now. Okay, I'm watching it now. But if I was going to leave now, I would just set a TP here. Let me go to a higher time frame. And maybe here, I would take another entry, but probably here. I have an alarm here already. So if I was out about my business, this alarm would go off. I would take another buy, you know, right about here. That'll be my next buy. Let's see what happens. Okay, we're going up. Let's see what we got here. Okay. All right, I'm going to take profit, guys. That's over 25 pips. Let me see. My stop loss is now 21091.5. I didn't set it yet, but that's where I'm going to set it. Right around there. Couple pips in profit. And I want to take the little profit up here somewhere. Let's see if it gives me a chance now. I was just getting ready to set it up. And I started reversing again. I still didn't do nothing. I was just, this is where I'm going to put my stop loss. This is where I'm going to take profit. Then I'm just going to let the trade run. This is my final TP right here. Whoa. All right, I'm taking profit, guys. All right, I took like 3/4 of the trade out. The final TP is 21145.5. Okay, guys, don't let it stop you out now. Set my I didn't get a chance. Let me set this thing now. 21092.5. That's where I'm putting my stop loss. Okay, that's a W, guys. Give me a W in the chat. Beautiful trade, man. Nice trade, guys. And I'm just going to close. Let me see what it does. Let's see. Anyway, beautiful trade, guys. We rocked it, man. You should already have taken profit. You could take it right now if you haven't. Oh, what a nice win. Another guy I used to trade with, he used to say, well, after he took his money, he said, whatever happens now is none of my business. You can walk away from this now. If you have your TP set, you have your stop loss set, you took profit. Whatever happens after that is none of my business, right? Here it comes. There it goes, guys. CP hit. Beautiful trade, guys. That's it for today. We will be back tomorrow. And have a great day, guys. On purpose. God bless you guys. Thank you for stopping by, man. You know, give me a like on the video. It helps. Everything helps, man. Thanks, guys. Cheers. Happy New Year, guys.